Alright, so now we're going to take a look at how to run the registration process. Now, before we can start submitting to these sites, we need to have an email. So we need to register that email and then register to all these sites. So one option would be to use your own email, and in that case you would need to enter your username, password, server and email, port, and so on. However, this is the difficult path because it's a bit hard to set this up, and if you don't know where to get all this information from, the server and the port, then you might get confused. And this is why we created another option, which is really the easiest and quickest way to use the software, and it is to use a generated email. So in this case, all you need to do is select use generated email, and you don't need to mess up with the username, password, or anything here. The software does everything for you. Now, in case you do want to use your own email address, also enter the required POP3 info, and don't forget to click the test button here. However, as I already said, we do recommend using the generated email because it's really the easiest way to run the software. Next, we need to select the sites we want to register on. So we can check and uncheck all of them, and right now I'm going to uncheck all of them, and then I'm going to go ahead and just select a couple here because this is a demo video and I want this to be done as quickly as possible, so I'm not going to select all of them, just a couple here. Alright, so now these are the sites that we are going to register accounts for. But before we do that, I want to explain these buttons here. So as you can see over here, it says load list. So with this button, you can load a custom site list, and then you would load the list and just click the add button to add all those sites. However, this option only works for the pro version. So you can only use the option to load the list if you have the pro version. Alright, so now we need to select here registration and go ahead and click start, and the process will get started. As you can see, it already has, and over here you can see all the log and what's happening. So right now it's sending some images to deCapture, creating accounts, and so on. Alright, so in the next video we're going to take a look at how the email verification process works, and I'm going to go ahead and close this video now, and once this registration process is done, we're going to take a look at how to confirm the emails.